How are you then? You're all standing vertical once more. Great. Well, this is one we need a bit of room anyway, because this is for all the disco queens, and Captain happens to be one of them. This one's called Disco Man. What do you know with Disco Queen? Qualify that, Valium.
Man.